So last class, last class, map completed. So map syntax. So function name. So iterals. So iterals means we can pass with list and set tuple. So iterals means we can pass with the list and the tuple with the set. You can pass anyone. The function name means you can create a user defined function or you can use with lambda or built-in functions. So that is called as map. Okay, that is called as a map. So I will partially resume to map. So first I create with the def. Def is a one keyword. The blue card word is the name of the function. So name of the function. So function is add. Okay. So now if you write map method directly, add. So I pass with the two parameters. We have two parameters now. We need to give the two parameters. One is the x, one is the y. So I taken two parameters. Now whenever you use the map method directly, so now you observe it generates the object. So what once it generates the object. So once it generates the object, we can directly use with the type conversion. Type conversion. Otherwise, you can use the for loop. So otherwise, you can use the next method. So directly I use with the type conversion list. So output which type you need, you can mention that one only. So now my output is I need in list. That's why I taken with the list. So now we'll get the same way output you need in tuple. So directly you can use tuple. So output you need set use. Suppose our output I don't want a list and tuple and set. So I need one by one, one by one. So you can make it with the for loop. So I need one by one. So directly you can use with the for loop. So anyways, you can once create a function. So which type you need, you can use that one. Okay. Otherwise, you can. I need only one value. I need only one value, first value only. So use the next method. So you need only one value. It's like this. So you need one by one, one by one. Again you write. So it is coming again first only. So you need to store somewhere, then only you can use with the nest. Okay. So how to store means you can put with a equal to, you can write. You can write a, a, a. Again you write. So we have only three values in a stored. So now again you ask, throw the error. So it throw the error. What is the stop the iteration means? So already we have stored with three elements. So already you taken. So already you taken. That's why it is use the stop iteration. Oh, understood na all people. So you create a one function. So in map it is a function name. It is a function name. So it is a parameter, x parameter and y parameter value. So you have function like you can use it like this. Okay, you don't have a function, directly use the lambda function. So what type of output need? Map. Now I don't have a function. So I use the lambda. So I use the lambda. So lambda over. So now what happened? I create only one variable. So you need to pass with. So only one. I will get the value. That value itself I will add. Okay, x plus x. Same value it is added. That's why I given the parameter. This value directly stored into x. So x plus x means 12 plus 12. Okay, 24. 34 plus 34. Okay, you can use directly. So otherwise you can use the built-in functions. So list map built-in function int you pass float. I use the float values. It is converted to int and given the output in a list. So here I always we observe the previous session all things okay all things. So what happened? So in function I given in so x values and y values, x values and y values. These are the dummy codes. That means hard code, hard code. So you need to pass directly to user. So what happened? So you can write with the so you can write with the so you can write with input split. So take the input from the user. So this one x value, this one is the y value. We'll get the output. Okay, you can take user input. You can write with the input split. So yeah, as your wish. So you can directly pass the list. Otherwise, you take input from the user and to give the that particular method. Okay, understood map. how total ways I created now. Clear online? Any people doubt?
Yes, sir, understood, but a little bit confusing.
Where?
Totally. That last one, sir, split one.
This one what happened? Okay, what happened? Last one. So
Many brackets actually.
I not a many. So what happened? So I pass here direct value. Okay, list. Okay. So this one is hard coded. Okay, my choice
Just we
12.
are giving it input value. That's why that many of brackets.
Yes, I taken user input. That's why I have so many brackets. That's it. So this value equal to this value. Entire this one. This value equal to this one. So here I given directly, but here I am asking from the user. That is only difference.
Sir, లాంబ్డాలా ఓన్లీ ఎక్స్ పారామీటర్ వై పారామీటర్ రెండు ఇయలే కదా సార్, ఓన్లీ ఒకటే ఇచ్చాం కదా సార్.
అందుకే నేను ఒకటే పాస్ చేశాను, రెండు పాస్ చేయాల. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్ కామా వై అని రాస్తే నువ్వు ఇంకో కామా పెట్టి ఇంకోటి ఇవ్వాలి.
ఓకే ఓకే.
సో సేమ్ అంతే. ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఏం వద్దు. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ కామా రాసి, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చి కామా పెట్టి వై రాసామనుకో, ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ వై 2 పారామీటర్స్. నేను ఇక్కడ ఒకటే పాస్ చేశాను, ఇంకోటి అడిషనల్గా ఏం చేయాలి, కామా పెట్టి ఇంకోటి పాస్ చేయాలి అంతే. ఒకటేమో ఎక్స్లోకి వెళ్తుంది, ఒకటేమో వైలోకి వెళ్తుంది అంతే. ఇప్పుడు నీకు అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ నేనేం చేశానంటే లైన్ నెంబర్ 17లో, సో వాట్ ఐ డిడ్ నా లైన్ నెంబర్ 17, సో I pass directly, but I taken from the user. That is only difference. So this one I take from the keyboard. This meaning I write a keyboard. I take it from the keyboard. Values from the keyboard.
కీబోర్డ్.
Keyboard means user defined user input.
16 చెప్పండి సార్. ఇంటి పెట్టిరు, ఫ్లోట్ ఇచ్చిరు, అది కన్వర్ట్ అయితే సార్
అయిపోద్ది, కనపడిందిగా. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంది,
పాయింట్ ఏం రాలేదని చూస్తాను కదా ఒకటి.
ఏం లేదు, ఇక్కడేమో అవుట్పుట్ లిస్ట్లో ఉంది. సో మ్యాప్ యూస్ చేస్తాను. ఇక్కడ ఏంది, ఇక్కడ మనం ఇక్కడ ఫంక్షన్ ఏమన్నా ఇవ్వచ్చు, లేదనుకో లాంబ్డా ఇవ్వచ్చు, లేదంటే బిల్ట్ ఇన్ ఫంక్షన్స్ ఇంటూ, ఫ్లోట్, కాంప్లెక్స్ ఏదైనా ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు. నేను ఇంటీజర్ ఇచ్చా. ఇంటీజర్ వచ్చిన మీనింగ్ ఏంది, నువ్వు ఇక్కడ ఫ్లోట్ వాల్యూస్ ఇచ్చావు కాబట్టి ఒక్కొక్కటి పోయి ఇంటీజర్లకు మార్చి అవుట్పుట్ ఇస్తుంది అనమాట. ఇక్కడ నువ్వు కాంప్లెక్స్ రాసావు అనుకో, ఈ వాల్యూస్ అన్ని ఏంటంటే కాంప్లెక్స్లో మారిపోతాయి అనమాట. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, 12 + 0 0J వస్తుంది, 56 + 0J వస్తుంది అనమాట. అలాగా
అది కాపీ చేసి కింద ఒకసారి పేస్ట్ చేయండి సార్, కాంప్లెక్స్
నీకోసం తప్పకుండా. సో ఇక్కడ కాంప్లెక్స్ అని రాసామనుకో
సార్, లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాప్ ఇన్పుట్ ఇచ్చాం కదా, దెన్ ఒకటి ఇంటూ ఇంకొకటి ఫ్లోట్ ఇచ్చి యాడ్ చేయొచ్చా?
నీ ఇష్టం, యాడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. దానికి సమస్య, దానికి ప్రాబ్లమే ఉండదు, అది యాడ్ అయిపోతుంది అంతా. నువ్వు ఒకటి ఇంటూ ఒకటి స్ట్రింగ్ ఇస్తే ప్రాబ్లం, కానీ నువ్వు ఒకటి నెంబరు ఒకటి ఫ్లోట్ ఇస్తే తీసుకుంటుంది, ప్రాబ్లం లేదు.
అంటే మనం 2 ఇంట్స్ ఇచ్చాం కదా,
అదేం లేదు. నువ్వు ఇక్కడ ఫ్లోట్ ఇచ్చినా యాడ్ అవుతుంది, కానీ ఇక్కడ స్ట్రింగ్ ఇవ్వకూడదు అంతే.
ఓకే,
స్ట్రింగ్. సో ఓకేనా, అది ఈశ్వర్ ఓకేనా, ఇలాగా అది. సో ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు అడిగిన డౌట్, ఇక్కడ ఫ్లోట్ కూడా ఇవ్వచ్చు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. సో యూ కెన్ గివ్ హియర్. So it generate the float value, no problem. But so don't give string. That is. Suppose you write a string. Suppose in place here I write with here hi. What will happen? You will get the error. Single hi pass also, you will get the error. Why? Because the 12 plus hi you can't add na. You will get the error. Okay, clear? Meeku map.
Yes sir.
So map and reduce very very important. That's why I will recall. Last session is over, but again I recall means. So it is very very important. Okay. Same thing, the syntax and everything same for the reduce. So reduce also same thing. Okay, reduce also same, like a map. Okay, so reduce also same syntax. So reduce also same syntax. So we need one function, otherwise lambda, and a built-in function, and literals. So the literals means list and set, and so tuple you can pass. Okay, first thing, so we have important note means, so the reduce method and like a map and filter same like but 2.7 version onwards, the reduce method move into module. So the module name is the function tool. So the module name is the function tool. So actually 2.7 before onwards, map directly, how to use, we can write with the map. So filter, we can write filter. Enumerate. Lambda, you can write directly. But 2.7 after means 3.x onwards, the reduce method, it is move on to functional module. The module name is function module. So the module name is function module. So it is a function tools. So it is called function tools. The module name is FUNCTOOL. That is module name. So we call as a function tools, but you write as a FUNCTOOLs function name. It is a module name. So it is a module name. So it is a module name. So the module name. So how to use that reduce method from previously module, how to write import module you write now. So this module I use the reduce method, that's why how to write means from module name. So from module name, import so method name, so reduce, like this you can write. So from module name, import method, you can write from module name, import method name, you can write this way. So you can write this way. First important, previously directly we are using with reduce method. Now this method is moving to function module. So function tool module. That's why I write this syntax. First thing, the reduce method don't use type conversion, means don't write list and all things. Directly you can write with the reduce. Reduce first thing. So don't before list and set and dictionary don't write. Okay, directly use the method name reduce and function name. So function name. In add we need to pass two parameters. Previously you need to pass two parameters. One is x, one for the y. Now here onwards, so don't pass two parameter. You pass only one parameter. Pass only one parameter. So now how to execute means 56 and 78 go at a time. Okay, 56 and 78 go at a time. This method, 56 stored into the x and 78 is stored into the y. After that, what happen if both are added? So both are added. The output stored into x and y is empty. Next 12 is going to y. So the output stored already stored into x na. Now the 12 is stored into y. Both are added. That output stored into the x again. Okay. After that y is empty. So 5 is stored into y and both are added. The result is stored into x. After that 4 is going to y. So stored into y. So totally added, and finally the result is total sum is coming out. Now check. Totally coming the output is coming out. So that is a execution of the reduce. So if you pass 2, you will get the error. So we have two parameters also. So we need to pass only one parameter. So inside of that parameter, it go two elements at a time. So first these two elements going to at a time. Just change the method. Now it is all multiply. You will get the final amount. Now we check. So the reduce method it gives a single value total.